what are those plugins that you use that people could come and be your repeat customers? Because I remember you mentioning that you have a decent amount of repeat customers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our repeat customers, I would say probably 20%, 30%
Which
are
is a good
repeat
number.
customers.
Yeah.
And I'll see, for example, a person who bought a linen herringbone table cover 2023
Yeah.
in Ivory, and yesterday they placed an order for a oatmeal herringbone linen table cover, same size, everything, right? So that's a really good sign for me. I feel like they were happy with their product and now they want to expand their collection and they're coming back. That's the objective. The difference between garments and home is that home is not an instinctive buy. It's not an impulse buy. It's never going to be.
Right.
Most people, it's not. So it's going to happen when somebody's thinking about a home, maybe they've moved into a new place, or somebody's coming over.
So how to build trust in a brand which is a standalone brand, right? You don't have a physical store and you have online presence.
Give quality, listen to feedback, respond to the feedback, and genuinely try to do better. I think trust is an instinctive thing. People can pick up if you're trying.
Would you be okay to tell what's the average order?
I'll tell you about order value. So there's a difference between garments and home decor. In garments, if you put up a sale, people are going to be like, oh, I love that dress. I saw it on an ad. Let me buy it quickly.
Yes.
It doesn't work the same way for home. People are going to buy when they want to buy. Even if you put up a sale, there's no guarantee it's going to work.
Okay.
So actually, sales, in my experience, don't work so well. Unless I'm desperately in need of cash and cash flow is tight and I need to kind of liquidate.
Yeah, okay.
It's a different mindset because if I like a cushion, I'm going to keep it in my mind and I might circle back to it when I need it, when I'm acting on that project.
Yeah. That's interesting to know.
And in terms of order value, our order value is normally probably 6 to 8,000 rupees. It's not very small.
Yeah.
People will order less, but they'll order bigger quantities.
If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, The Sonika Mata Show Clips.